The DJI Mini 3 Pro is one of the most popular compact drones to hit the market in recent years, and it's easy to see why. Whether you are a hobbyist looking to capture breathtaking aerial shots or a professional seeking a lightweight, easy to fly drone for content creation, the Mini 3 Pro is packed with features that will make your flight experience both fun and fulfilling. At first glance, the DJI Mini 3 Pro seems like it might be too small to pack a punch, but don't let its size fool you. It only weighs 249 grams. It's about the weight of a smartphone. This little drone boasts some serious capabilities that rival drones twice its size. With a sleek, foldable design, it's easy to slip it into a backpack and take it anywhere, making it ideal for both seasoned drone pilots and beginners alike. Let's talk about some key features of this drone. The camera quality will make you look like a pro. The heart of the Mini 3 Pro is its camera. It comes equipped with a 48MP sensor capable of shooting 4K HDR video at 60 FPS, allowing you to capture stunning cinematic shots from the sky. Whether you are filming landscapes, cityscapes, or your friends doing parkour, why not? The camera provides exceptional clarity and color accuracy, even in challenging lighting conditions. Plus, it features a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring that your shots are smooth, stable, and free from those dreaded shaky videos that are all too common with cheaper drones. The Mini 3 Pro has a slew of intelligent flying modes to help you unleash your inner Spielberg. One of the most fun and useful features is Master Shots, which automatically executes a series of dynamic, pre-programmed maneuvers while recording video. Think of it as your personal drone cinematographer. The Focus Track mode allows you to lock the camera on a subject and automatically follow it, making it easy to get dynamic footage while keeping your hands on the controls. Whether you're tracking your pet, a moving car, or your friend doing a dance, the Mini 3 Pro ensures you never lose sight of the action. One of the standout features is the improved obstacle avoidance system, with 3-way sensor on the front, back, and bottom. The Mini 3 Pro can automatically detect and avoid obstacles, making it perfect for flying in tighter spaces or areas with lots of trees and buildings. Of course, always keep an eye on your drone, but this system offers that extra peace of mind, especially for beginner pilots. Now let's talk about the battery life. It won't leave you hanging. One of the biggest concerns for drone enthusiasts is battery life, and the Mini 3 Pro doesn't disappoint. With the standard battery, you can expect around 34 minutes of flight time, but upgrade to the Plus battery and that number jumps to a solid 47 minutes. That extra time is perfect for those long sessions where you want to capture more footage without having to worry about your drone coming back to the ground prematurely. While no drone will stay airborne indefinitely, the Mini 3 Pro extended battery life means fewer interruptions for recharging, and you won't feel rushed to get those perfect shots. The drone is incredibly easy to take with you wherever you go. Its foldable design makes it easy to pack up and head off on an adventure. Whether you're traveling across the world or just walking down the street, this drone won't weigh you down or take up a lot of space. When you compare this drone to other drones in its category, it provides exceptional value for the money. You're getting top-notch camera quality, a stable flight experience, and cutting-edge features at a fraction of the price of some professional-grade drones. This drone strikes a perfect balance between ease of use and advanced features. Beginners will find the flight controls simple to pick up, while seasoned pilots will appreciate the ability to dive into the more advanced features for cinematic shots. With the obstacle sensors and intelligent flight modes, the Mini 3 Pro offers a safer flying experience compared to the other entry-level drones. You'll spend less time worrying about crashing and more time enjoying your flight. Now let's talk about the cons of owning this drone. While the Mini 3 Pro offers a ton of value, it's still one of the pricier drones in the mini category. If you're looking for something cheaper and more basic, there are plenty of options available, though they may not offer the same level of features. Like most lightweight drones, the Mini 3 Pro is not built to withstand heavy winds. While it can handle moderate gusts, it's not ideal for flying in stormy conditions or super windy environments. If you're planning to fly on blustery days, it's best to wait for calmer weather. Even though the camera is excellent for most purposes, it lacks a zoom lens, which may be a deal breaker for some users looking for more flexibility in their shots. For more detailed zooming, you'll need to look into the DJI's larger models like the Mavic 3 series. While the focus track mode works wonders for tracking subjects, it's not as sophisticated as those found in higher-end models. If you're expecting seamless tracking for fast-moving objects, you might run into limitations in certain environments. The Mini 3 Pro is an incredible, capable drone that packs a lot of features into a small, portable design. Whether you are a beginner who wants to explore the world of aerial photography or an experienced creator looking for a lightweight, reliable drone, the Mini 3 Pro offers everything you need and more. With stellar camera quality, intelligent flight modes, and impressive battery life, it provides an accessible yet powerful option for anyone looking to take their flying experience to new heights. While it may not be perfect for everyone, it's hard to argue that this drone is anything but a joy to fly. If you are on the fence about DJI Mini 3 Pro, think about this. It's not just a drone. It's a ticket to unlocking your creative potential in a way you've never experienced before. Imagine capturing stunning 4K video with cinematic smoothness, all from a drone that fits right in your backpack. Whether you are filming epic landscapes, blogging on the go, or tracking action with ease, this Mini 3 Pro makes it possible, and it's remarkably simple to use. You'll be flying high with confidence thanks to its safety features and impressive battery life that ensures you can stay in the air longer. Plus, it's a total game changer for capturing those aerial shots you've always dreamed of without breaking the bank. If you want a compact drone that doesn't compromise on quality or performance, the Mini 3 Pro is absolutely worth it. Don't just take my word for it, let your imagination soar. I hope you have liked this video, and I also hope that you can subscribe to my channel. Please hit the notification bell, and if you know somebody that might benefit from this video, please share it. Thank you so much.